Welcome back to Tech Time with T, guys. Today I have 2011 Nissan Xterra and we are doing a brake lights and also reverse light. It's all the same location. What you need is a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and extension if you need it. Okay guys, even though I said we're doing all the tail lights, the reverse light, but today I'm actually have to replace the brake lights, the light bulbs. The part number is 3157LLBP2. That is I believe it's 2005 to 2018, and this should be the same light bulb. So that's what I got. We'll replace the brake light bulbs. At the same time, I will show you how to replace the turn light and reverse light as well. It's the same location. Okay. First thing what you do is just pop the trunk open to gain access to the bolt. There's two bolts. You should be taken out first before you pop out the tail lights. So basically what you do is there's two screws right here. There's one on top, one on the bottom. Use the 10mm socket with the ratchet. You don't need it, and then you just pop that out. And also once you get the two screws out, you just pop this whole thing open. There's the top screw. Just take it out. And here's the bottom screw. Alright guys, once you take out the two bolts, I can see it. You do not have like a grip to snug it, like pull it out from the stud. So use a string. So once you take out the two screws, you just slide it through to give it some leverage, and you hold on tight to it. Snug on the bottom, and you pull the top first, and then you can pull the bottom one. So that's how you take out the tail lights. Oh, there we go. Okay, once you got the tail lights, what basically I want to show you is this one is the turn signal light, and this one is the reverse light, and this is the brake light, which I'm doing right here. It's the brake lights, and that's the outside of it, and here's the inside. This will look like. So basically, this is the turn lights. That's what I want to show you first. So you just go up the thing and just twist it to the left, and you pull it out. That is the signal lights. Put it back, put it into the groove, and twist it to the right. And that's how you put it back. Okay, that's just the turn light. And this one here, the middle one, is the reverse light. Same way, twist to the left, pull it out, and switch it. Alright, so basically what you want to do is just pull this out. That's all it is, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show you the pulling, because I'm switching the brake lights anyway, the light bulb. And just put it back the same way. You put it to the groove, and twist to the right, and that's all you need to change. This is the rear reverse lights, and the top one is the turn signal lights, and we're going to the bottom one, which is the brake lights. Okay, same way. Here's the brake lights on the bottom one. You just twist to the left, take it out. So basically this is the light bulb for the brake, and you just pull. That's all you need to do. So basically I got two light bulbs for the brakes. They come in pairs usually, and I only need one. I can save that one for later on, just in case the other side goes out also. So basically it's what it is, and the part number actually is P27/7W. Actually the same as the dealer, so it's pretty good. It's a Savania long life light bulbs. So basically once you start, just push it right in where the slot is. Is it universal? You decide, doesn't matter. Snap on, and you're good to go. So once you put on the light bulb, what you want to do is just same way when it's the other way, which you take it out, which to the left. Now you want to put it into the slot and move to the right. So hope I'm not blocking you, and then twist to the right, and you're all set to go. So once you replace the light bulbs, I would recommend is get someone to step on the brake light, so make sure the brake light is working. So that's what you do before you install back the tail light assembly. Okay, so that's what you want to do. Test it out the light bulb first before you install the whole thing, so you don't have to do it again if it doesn't work. You never know, it could be a defective light bulbs. So all you do is just align the studs with the two holes, top and bottom, and you just install the assembly back. This is a snap-on, basically that's what it is. There you go. Snapped on. There you go. And then now you need to do is to put the two bolt back, top and bottom, where they use a 10mm socket. This way, what you do is doesn't matter which one goes first, at the bottom or the top. I just do the bottom first. Just screw it by your hand, it's fine. I'm using the 10mm socket. That's it. You want to tighten with the ratchet real quick for the bottom one. You don't want to be too tight. You don't want to strip the bolt either. So that's all you need to do. And here's the top one. Screws right in with the socket. By your hand first. Make sure they go in smoothly. Now you tighten with the ratchet and ratchet. There you go, it's in. And just tighten this with the ratchet a little bit. Snugged in. Thank you for watching Tech Time with T. That is how you change brake light bulbs on 2011 Nissan Xterra. Please review my video. Do not forget to subscribe. If you like it, 2 thumbs up. Comments, anything below. And you have a good day.